Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Let's just look at one infographics that you can do quickly. So let's start. Here I'll show 1%, which is that, plus 0.01. Take it up to 10. Zero 0.01 plus 0.01. Take it to there. I'll change the column to 2. I'll put a small code just to hide the numbers there. So the small code dot put. Change the color to this. Then now I can proceed to put a small code. Put a bit of some border. Change the coloring. Have something like this. Okay. Okay. Now right there. Go to home. Conditional formatting. And that. Let's see if I take Thomas cost 200. Okay. If the customer calls on the faults is greater, and just remove the format from there. Because if the customer calls are more than the target, that is true. Char 78. Otherwise, let it be char 74. Then we can change this font. Can come here. Say new row. If the customer fault is true, it is greater than the target, then let the font be changed to red. Okay. Okay. New row. If the customer faults are lower than the target, then change it to green. So there are three possibilities that would happen here. If the customer calls equal to the target calls, change the font to green. Then we can change the font type to Wingdings. You see, so if the customer calls on faults is just lower than the target calls, you can see what we have put there. It shows that things are okay. That's danger. Okay, thank you so much. And this is how you build such an infographics. Please visit our website, royconsultadvisory.com, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube account. channel. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. Have a lovely day.